Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yuri. So today I want to talk about menstrual cup. Have you heard about menstrual cup? So here are my collections. Let me take them out so you can see it. So these are my menstrual cups. So I've been using menstrual cups for about 3 years now and I love it so much. So that's why I want to share what I like about using menstrual cup today. So let's get started. Menstrual cup is a menstrual product made with medical silicones. It looks like this. And the first reason why I like using menstrual cup is because it's so comfortable. Amazingly comfortable. So I've tried some other menstrual products including paper pads, tampons and clothes-made pads, but when I used them I could feel something and I really don't like it. While I'm using this menstrual cup, I don't feel anything. It's like as if you don't have any period. It's so comfortable and it's much easier for me to deal with, like manage my period, since I started using a menstrual cup. So that's why I love menstrual cup. The second reason is sustainability. Thinking about how much waste are produced by disposable pads and or tampons, it's a huge amount of waste. But menstrual cup doesn't produce any waste during your period. That is great and very sustainable. You can use it again and again if you take care of it properly, wash and sterilize properly. So that's a very good choice if you care about the planet. So the third reason is affordability. This one menstrual cup can last for 10 years in general, like on average, and that's ridiculous, isn't it? You can use one menstrual cup for 10 years, so you don't need to buy, like once you buy one product you don't need to buy any for a decade. I have 3 menstrual cups right now because I like trying different brands and different products, but you just need one menstrual cup to manage your period, and it costs about 20 to 40 pounds depending on the brand. So I think it's much affordable than buying disposable menstrual products on every cycle. The only downside of using menstrual cup is that it takes some time to get used to it. There is definitely a learning curve, but once you get used to it, it's amazing and so convenient. I definitely recommend it. I'm planning to create more videos about menstrual cup, like how to use it or some tips to get used to it. Please subscribe if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!